Hey, do you know you can make money by simply using Pinterest? All you have to do is simply use the social media like you are using Facebook and Instagram. The same way you have to use Pinterest and you can actually make a lot of money. So in this video, I'll be telling you 5 ways how you can make money simply by using Pinterest. Let's get started. Hey guys, my name is Mukesh. You are watching Earning Insight, and if this is your first time here in this channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell because I keep coming back with videos related to Pinterest marketing and blogging tips. But in this video, I'll be telling you how to make money fast because I am receiving a lot of mails from all you guys asking about the fast way, the legit way how you can make money using Pinterest. So guys, let me start with the point number 5, which is by using Social Sale Wrap app. Now guys, the question is, what is this app? What is this website, Social Sale Wrap? Now guys, when there are a lot of organizations want to promote their content in Pinterest, they want expert in Pinterest who can actually promote the content of this organization to the people of US or UK or Canada. So they want Pinterest experts. So what they do is they normally go to a platform which is called as Social Sale Wrap. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can just go and check out the website. So they basically go and collaborate with this particular platform and they ask this platform to promote their content. Now that is where you come into picture, guys. What you can do, you can also join this platform. This platform basically allow Pinterest user to join. So what you can do, you can basically join this platform and you can promote these organization in Pinterest to the US or UK or Canadian people, and you can make money by doing. Guys, the fourth point by which you can make money using Pinterest is doing affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, nowadays 90% of the organization are doing affiliate marketing. It is basically there are products which organization want to sell and you can help these organization to sell their product. Now the question is, how will you find this organization? How you can find the product to which affiliate marketing you can do? So for that, guys, you can go to a website called as clickbank.com. I'll again leave a link in the description below. You can just go to clickbank.com and register yourself. It is extremely simple and free. You can go to ClickBank, you can just register yourself. Then you can see a lot of products which you can promote. So all now you have to do, you have to create a pin and use the affiliate link that you are getting in ClickBank in your pin, and whenever anyone clicks on this pin and buys any product, you actually make money by doing it. Suppose you are interested in a health niche and you are promoting any health related food, you go and search for any health related food and then make a pin related to health, link the affiliate link in the pin and start promoting. Once somebody goes and buys from this link, you will make a good money. The third point by which you can make money is using your blog. So guys, if you don't know how to create a blog, I already created a playlist over there. You can just go in the description, or I'll leave a link in the I button. You can just check it out. So basically what you can do, you can start your blogging journey and then you can promote your blogs using Pinterest. Actually, I made so much videos about this topic. I'll leave some links in the description below. You can just go and check it out. It is very simple, guys, because if you design a blog and want to promote it using Google, it is extremely tough in the beginning stage. So I recommend all my students to go and use Pinterest in the initial phase because it is free and it is very easy to promote. Guys, the second point by which you can make money is by promoting your YouTube channel. Nowadays, guys, there are a lot of YouTube channel. People are starting YouTube from everywhere around the globe. And if you want to gain more subscribers which are related to your niche, what you need to do is real people who are interested in your content. To do so, what you can do, you can make pin, link your YouTube content and then publish in Pinterest. What will happen is Pinterest algorithm will show these pins to the people who are really interested in your particular niche, and then if they are interested in your content, you will actually get good subscriber, and if you reach good number of views as well as subscribers, you will start making money. Guys, the number one point how you can make money is by selling a course. So guys, if you don't know, around 75% of the population in Pinterest actually interested to buy something. So if you are creating a course like I do and you want to promote it in Pinterest, the chances are very high that you can get public who want to buy your courses, your online courses, and you can make a good amount of money. So it doesn't matter in which niche you are working. You are working in food or you are working in digitalization. You can, your knowledge, you can design a course and you can sell it to your potential customer and you can earn a good amount of money. All you need to do, guys, is take action today. If you just watch videos, read content but never take action, believe me, you will not get anything. So guys, go ahead, take action today and start making money using this platform. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Until then, take care, keep earning, keep learning.